So I'm using two 12-volt solar panels to power a 12-volt fan. Both my solar panels are connected in parallel to give me 12 volts, 200 milliamps instead of 100 milliamps each solar panel. So now I have 200 milliamps. And so, as you can see, when I walk in direct sunlight, if I walk in front of the solar panels and block the sunlight, you can see the fan stops. And as I walk away from the solar panels, you can see the fan kicks back on. So now I'm going to use 3 supercapacitors rated at 2.7 volt, 50 farads each. And I'm going to put them in series, which will give me about 16 farads, but 8 volts. But that will be enough to get away to power the 12 volt fan. So the difference is, now I have my supercaps in series, which is also, I have my supercaps which are in series to each other, but parallel to the fan. And so the difference is now, when I flip over my solar panels, and I'm no longer getting any kind of energy from the solar panel, then now the fan is still spinning, but because of the supercaps. And so if I take one supercap out, you can see the fan stops. If I put the supercap back in, you can see the power returns and the fan is going again. So this simulates that when you're using solar panels to power a device, like in this case a fan, and if you lose sunlight and there's no longer any sunlight coming to the solar panel, that if you put supercaps in line to your output device, your supercaps can power the fan regardless of whether the solar panels are getting sunlight or not. So that concludes this video. Thank you for your time.